Hello guys, so we are going to solve today two sum from lead code, which is a question of arrays. So there are two ways of solving this question, that is by optimize method and the other is brute force. So basically what this question says, let's look into that. So given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So we have to find two numbers from this which will give us the sum 9 target. So how we are going to do this? So how we are going to achieve this? Let's start with brute force. So for this we need two for loops. One will be I and one will be for j. We are going to go for the whole code, just relax. And then we'll have a if condition, which will be if our nums of I plus nums of j is equals to target. If this condition gets satisfied, then we are going to get this target. So there is one, what I'll say, loophole or something in this. We can directly write -1 or like I comma j in Python, but that we can't do in Java. So for that we have to make a new integer for it, or new variable for it. To make this all work, we can have it as new answer or anything, you can name it anyway. So let's begin with the code. So let's start with our code. So first we will make our new integer, and I'm naming it that answer. Sorry, there will be no new over here, it will directly like this. The new integer, we are going to give it size. Then over here you can see this thing, 2 7 11 5. We need two for loops for that. First will be I and the second will be j. For this one, for this we are going to start from, let's start with a for integer I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length -1. Now you must be thinking why I took -1. I took -1 because as I told you that we are going to take two. I will start from index 0 and j will start from index 7. So as we have to make sum of I and j so that it will give us a target. So if we will have I till nums dot length, then it will go to 15, and if I will go to 15, then our j will go to out of bound. So it will show us error, which we don't want. Now let's go for our next loop. J, integer j is equals to I plus 1. Set to nums dot length and then j plus plus. So now we'll have our if condition. Think what we are going to write in our if condition. Easy. Nums of I, what we want sum of I and j. So we'll write it nums of I plus nums of j. If it gives us our target, nums of I plus nums of j is equals to target, then what we are going to do in answer, on a 0 index we'll put I, and in its first index we'll put our j, and then we'll return our answer. Is this enough? No, we have to do one more thing. We can directly write return minus 1 in Python, but we can't do this in Java. So, the reason why we can't do this in Java is so I don't know, but it's like it just directly doesn't accept it. So, for that, what we have to do, we have to make a new integer.
New int.
New integer. We have to make a new integer, and in this, I will give its value. If I will put minus 1 over here, then it will be its size, and I'm not defining size over here. I'm returning minus 1 because if there will be no I or j which is fulfilling my condition of the target, then it will be minus 1. Thank you. Wait, I'll run this code. I hope that it passes the test case. It happened. Now let's submit the code. Yeah, it happened. So thank you so much. Bye.